everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy, and today we're going to learn how to draw peplum. What's a peplum? Well, it's the ruffle that sits at the waistline. It could be added to a skirt, or a dress, or a t-shirt. I guess if you're here, you already know what a peplum is. You just want to draw it. Well, let's get to it. I had pre-drawn my figures just to save some time. We're gonna draw multiple versions of peplum just to practice it. The bottom line is, no matter whether your peplum is short or long, or if it's very roughly and full, the principle of drawing it is the same. So I'll begin on this person, and I'm going to draw a skirt with the peplum on this one. So I'll begin by drawing a waistline. And that's essentially like just drawing a rectangle. I'm gonna curve it a little bit since sorry, I can't talk. Since it's at the waistline, but it's just a rectangle pretty much. Then I'm going to draw my skirt, and the skirt is tight, so it's following the body. And at the bottom of the skirt, you don't want to draw a straight line. You want to go either up or down a little bit, curve it a little bit, so so it looks more realistic. You can make your skirt longer or shorter, or whatever your imagination tells you to do. Now my peplum is going to be about this long. So first I'm going to draw a very light line, and it's a curve that will be like a guideline for where my peplum will go, and connect it on the sides like so. To show the ruffles on it, I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to draw a shape like this. And that's the fold, the center fold. Now from here, I'm going to follow my guideline, and I'm going to draw ruffles like this. And then again, mirror it on the other side. So I'm going to draw one more here, and one more here. Then I'm going to connect this on the sides. I think I want it a little bit more curved up. So I'm gonna use my eraser, and don't worry to use your eraser. Erasers are our friends. Okay, so this is the basic shape of my peplum. Now we need to add some lines going up that will kind of show the folds of the fabric. And I don't draw them all the way to the top. I just kind of show that this is a fold. I'm also going to draw some lines connecting my folds and shading them in underneath to make it look more realistic. And that's pretty much it. That's the peplum. I'm going to add some details to my skirt. I'm also going to erase my body parts from inside. Okay, so this one is pretty full. Now, what if we want it to be really just kind of thin and hanging down? Well, same thing. First, we gotta draw the bottom skirt. Maybe this one's longer. We want to draw the waistband. And then this one's going to be hanging down really close. And I'm going to make it longer. But same thing. I want to kind of mark where it's going to be. Then I'm going to mark the length of it, and I will go in with my center fold, same shape in the middle. And from this shape, I'll do my ruffles to the side. And same thing like over here. I'm going to draw the lines indicating that there's folds here. And I'm going to draw the shading on the inside of my folds. And then I come in and erase the body parts and add tiny little details. Okay, so now what if you said, well, Kasha, I don't like skirts. I don't want to draw skirts. I want my peplum to be on a shirt. So that's why I have this person here. And I'm going to draw a shirt on it first. Just a regular crew neck type shirt. So follow the body. Do the sleeves. And peplums are usually at the waist, so there's going to be a seam line here. And I'm going to make this one short, but really roughly. So I did the sides like on those, and now I'm doing my outline or my guideline. And from here, same thing, center shape, but I'm going to make it small. But it's the same shape. It's like a lying down C and a bunch of ruffles. Now from these ruffles, I need to draw the lines, just like on the other two, indicating that there's fabric folds here. I'm gonna do some shading on the bottom of the ruffles. We can add tiny lines here because there's probably a seam line here. Now, so this could be a shirt and she could be wearing pants underneath, or we can add a bottom part to it and it could be a dress. We can erase the body parts. Define the details a little bit better. Here's my three kinds of peplum. The medium one, I guess, the saddle one, and the short, really roughly one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. Please give me thumbs up and come back to see me soon.